In this video, we'll be taking a beginner's look at how to grow microgreens indoors. Microgreens are small, nutrient-dense plants that are harvested just after the cotyledon leaves have developed. They make a great addition to salads, sandwiches, and even smoothies. With this guide, you'll be able to start growing your own microgreens in no time. Before we get started, let's take a look at the supplies you'll need to grow microgreens indoors. You'll need a container, soil, seeds, a spray bottle, and a grow light. The container can be anything from a seed starting tray to a recycled plastic container. It's important to use soil specifically formulated for indoor gardening, as regular garden soil can contain bacteria that can harm your plants. The spray bottle will be used to mist your plants and keep the soil moist, while the grow light will provide the necessary light for your microgreens to grow. Once you have all of your supplies, it's time to prepare your container and soil. Begin by filling your container with soil up to 2 inches from the top. Gently tap the container on a flat surface to level the soil. Mist the soil with water until it's evenly moist, but not soaking wet. Use your fingers to make small depressions in the soil, about 1/4 of an inch deep, and space them approximately 1/2 an inch apart. Next, it's time to plant your seeds. Sprinkle a small amount of seeds into each depression you made in the soil, making sure to cover them with a thin layer of soil. Mist the soil again to keep it moist. It's important to keep your container covered with a clear lid or plastic wrap until your microgreens have sprouted. This will create a greenhouse effect and keep the soil moist. Now it's time to care for your microgreens. They'll need to be kept in a warm location, ideally around 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep your soil moist by misting it daily. Once your microgreens have sprouted, remove the cover and place them under the grow light. They'll need 12 to 16 hours of light per day, so set a timer if needed. After about 7 to 10 days, your microgreens should be ready to harvest. Use scissors to cut them just above the soil line, and they're ready to eat. Growing microgreens indoors is a fun and easy way to add some fresh greens to your meals. With just a few supplies and some TLC, you'll be able to grow your own nutrient-dense microgreens in no time.